This video explains how to visualize an NA gap in a ggplot2 line plot using the R programming language. So without too much talk, let's dive into the R code. In this video I will show you an example, and for this example we first need to create a data frame, as you can see in lines 2 to 4 of the code. So after running these lines of code, you can see at the top right of RStudio that a new data set is appearing, which is called data. And if we click on this data set, a new window is opened, which is showing the structure of our data frame. So as you can see, our data frame contains two columns, X and Y, whereby the first column is ranging from 1 to the number of rows in our data set. So as you can see, our data set contains 30 rows. And the column Y contains random numeric values. However, you can also see that some of the rows in our data set in the column Y are NA. So in other words, there's an NA gap from the 11th row to the 20th row. So if we want to visualize this NA gap in a ggplot2 line plot, we first need to install and load the ggplot2 package, as you can see in lines 7 and 8. I have installed the package already, so for that reason I'm just going to load it with line 8 of the code. And then in the next step, we can apply the ggplot and geom_line functions to our data set with NA values without any further specifications. And then you can see, after running these lines of code, that our NA gap is already shown. So as you can see, the first 10 values in our data set are shown in the first line. Then we have this NA gap, which is automatically created by the ggplot2 package. And then the remaining part of our line is shown between the values 21 to 30 on the x-axis. That's all I wanted to explain in this video. In case you want to learn more on this topic, you may check out my homepage statisticsglobe.com, because on my homepage I have recently published a tutorial in which I'm explaining the content of this video in some more detail. I will put a link to this tutorial into the description of the video, so you can find it there. If you have liked this video, or if you have any questions, let me know in the comments section below. I'll try to respond to all comments as soon as I can. Furthermore, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notified about future video releases. I have already published about 500 videos on this channel, and I'm releasing new videos on a daily basis. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next video.